Yesu converti no na fei obabedi na chire na otro na sempa no edi ma won ye Jewfo isan se obi bodam a etwa se obi ka bo no ni fiansa nti sebayo na obi ode ne kraman ene oyi ne sin ase de bai kase na onka no ntino se Matthew a oye Jew ni etro Kristosom ho asem a ni nua no Jewfo be gia eden atom ene Luke nso ya mama ni a oye medical doctor inti ni position as medical doctor any nationality as a Gentile of high standing no on so cho bi fa Yesu ho a ya mama mu fo nso be eden e be gia atom eno nti no nyakopon che adwuma ne saa se Matthew ntro we Paul ntro we the Peter nso ntro ibisa enti wohwe Matthew na tro ni na otro e dia convince ne nuanu Jewfo say Yesu is the Messiah no omo hwe ne kwan no na obebedru wie ye no ne nsamo a odi ekasa kire Jewfo no eye asamo a yenso ye Onyankopon asafo nei no ebetumi aboa yen ami etumi anya adesua kese pa ye John ko ne ngoma otro ye ekire no John can say John chapter 20 no verse 30 to 31 no say enema bebre wo wa Yesu ye ya yantro ewo no na count no mo na se enka ye tro a enka ye nsem o ye bebre a enka ewiase mponte mensoa message a efa ye ruade Yesu Kristo ho no e kire se enema bebre wo wa Yesu ye ya eye miracles a o ma record ye to so mi no ensam wo ho a odina no kan ya ni nyina dodo no ano camera anye den an capture na de ne mi be ka ho asemi no se wokọ synoptic gospels no mo a ohun se obi aka asasem no se ofa kuro bi si ho ana okokuro no no se ni na esiye a ebia empo ya ntwa mangoma no na Emma John se mo kan ye Yesu niema wo ye ni dodo no ano se ye kan se ye tro ni nyina baako a nke wiase mpo entime contain asem no dodo no Onyankopon ema ye ntiase da. This passage is a proof of such many similar statements. Yesu kasafa enkro miensa eho Chorazin and Bethsaida and Capernaum. Now according to Bible geography, usia Bible as usia the geography so come, usia the history na enti asofidie enye se de ya na yihunu no akeke mintu kwan ko Palestine de enso menim River Jordan the source kasa medra from Manhamon down sa babisi baby a koto eye the salt lake no mo nyina se uhunu ansana woso ya paso ya mawo eye certificate say wa pass nti utimi di sofo kenyam sam na Chorazin eye sa krokitwa bia na ewo eye north of Capernaum but Capernaum ho Yesu ya owade ne nsancheni bebre sa obeka ya wakasa no yibibia wose sansancheni we Yesu Capernaum shiadan mu ena na o church sabuta akai wo say ngoma na wieye bia Bible Matthew account bi chapter bi wieye no wo say wo bo Capernaum den say wo mu shiadan mu in their synagogue ena o kan sa asem no na eyi kro Chorazin no na ewo Capernaum tentenso just a few miles away from Capernaum ena na ye Chorazin no na fi Bethsaida de eho de baba dwemu intentem so eye matena Bethsaida super no emfie san ha amokaya na eho so ye fishing town fishing town de oba nuse se Peter ye fisherman there na ho na no ye den oyi enampa was a fishing village on the west bank of Jordan enima mienu na there clearly some most tremendous things happen in these towns enima na eye wonwa na yesronko esiye e wo san kro mienu imo. There's no record of the work that Jesus did and of the wonders he performed in these places, and yet they must have been amongst his greatest. Now, so Okam wants them say, now, one of the end century near we you see what Bethsaida, and then you see what horizon there. Now, you're Butcham, now thinking of reading that. Now, so or sick horizon in re or see Bethsaida in re. Now, Casa or Cano, Gieno, Brofon, or see woe. Dear, now, woe no need Gieno, dear Libya. Say, Ghana need to be the arrest or both the but Jesus, when who Bonia Sembia day, I will number. Say, all can someone, or they do me will be, and now or did Nuguna. And yes, sir, and now all can I say no. Now, see, the war expresses a sorrowful pity. Say, oh, be we had a more bought, no, see, dear, so was out the brain, Tibiano, as much it does anger. Just say, one canon a bufoso, and another or de castle, could rise in any day in re, or it is not an accent of a person who is blazingly angry because he has been insulted. Say, Bianco, be better with him, but in your terminal. Now, catches a whoa, who did you want it? And no sooner and told that. Because idea, ye castle, not just a wolf. Niabre o diatem. Yes, Diano, yes, Abia. Yes, Diano, yes, Abia. Rather, it is the accent of sorrow. Name a casa will be in a new car and say, why you disappointed? A casa will be in the new car and say, any ya, so whom Corazon, any Bethsaida, any Capernaum, sir, or more, sir, Tibiano, of a man who offered men the most precious thing in the world. And saw it disregarded. Indeed, yes, to see what you say. Or you only pa or what are the pa, any mass and chromian saying. Any reasina. Nanso, San chromian saying Tiaso, a boo, Sade panel and tia, when you go for my Tiasiada. A be a son of a be a wotie. The old papa a piano. You don't regard it. Modi Biera Ukunubo. You don't regard it. Now, I can be changed. I may be Okruma. Or so many years, as I say, about 17 years. And when this car command, yes, maybe I'll too quite, rather not quite, maybe I'll too quite, till finally, no fire or by. By fast no movie, no qua, no bastard to young, no name. Also, very my banner as a bureau. Bit to me, I'm a Ghana. Yeah, dear man, let me say, now I have. We have a moment, I said, I want me. I want me. So I say, the Ukunu Ayamawo, appreciate. Say, Bimu, and another years to be Casse, Kuraz in you, beside the NUA. Say, we be peppy up or war and yet in my other summer. Any reason, no, in Nipa, at Tuna Jemu, not in Nipa and regarded, not in Nipa at Titia so. Eh, yeah. So, Transit said, Yo Yamo Yuri, would transit Yamo Ma, and Ukunu, any import or Busian, not a Busian in the name. One more appreciate ya. Ya, not a ya. Sa, at tea and movie, and a year's free, or catch up the cider, any Kurazin, said Omonier. Jesus' condemnation of sin is holy anger. Yesu, the bufua, nay, a bufo cron. A buff cron and a man. Umusa, Netta Fee, or Modia done a Gadibiano, or raw on the belt, not on the pum, Sani Mania, if you want. Make us a conical Yubisa. Nelson, once in a time, when you go upon Banu, the beef food and Niema Tantaya, nothing, not sorry if you have done your aquacoye. Sir, and net, I saw them one than baby Divia, the highest bidder, November Sikakas here. And so grew a man. Yet me told 100 million Ghana. But you took by him, now one of the young Granamka and Crabotis, one Kumasi, need to go for the Babiano, or the robber, Kufo, robber Nunsuma, Eddie, 1 Ghana crab ye dinner them. 19 years. Say it me told more, I won't train ye diatem there. In the same vein, nsukuro no a enru 1 gallon po no a ye ton 100 million no eno de ka se ye di mu atemba nanso nipa hu wanu nyina we ya eco December yi uza omobo afore asofo amutie Church of Christ Yesu wo hana enko be pam sa nyema na eden afiri nihia den mu obe pam sa nyema no nanso sa nyema nyanya kwan ababe wura Kristosom no ama Kristosom adane edadibia odofo sa nyema no ena ye ka se Yesu de abufuo kronkron ena ekasaye not from an outraged pride yes obi ene bu afu ene dwemu ena na ode yesa na from a broken heart. Dear ye should you say, what then was the sin of Chorazin? Chorazin or ye dear crown yes wundy. What then was the sin of Bethsaida? What then was the sin of Capernaum? The sin which was worse than the sin of Tyre and Sidon. But you I know ding input chain Cartagena, Tyre and Sidon, and not the word Tunisia. Tunisia, what north of Africa, no, the old name, and your friend Tyre and Sidon. Patuchim Carthaginians or more history mono. Woman Tunisia for, woman Algeria for, one port city no, and your friend Tyre and Sidon. Now they all can say, dear Ben Pan Capernaum, aya, I must say no. Sa Carthaginian for ya, no more your body can sit or Sabre and we are Simon. Now you came with your Niama a swan. Now one near come home. Na eba ko ba se Bethsaida ene Chorazin ni Capernaum afei omo boni eba be chen Tyre and Sidon. It must have been very serious, for again and again Tyre and Sidon and of Sodom and Gomorrah are denounced for their wickedness. Na ebra ye kakati asem na ye ka Tyre and Sidon asem no kroba akuso eba wa dwimu sharply Sodom and Gomorrah. The na ekoso ewo wiase oba no oba na bema ni bema na any the changing of our sexual orientation me oba na makotu me ma ya bia na firo na me bema de atua ho me ye bema so na matumi de na me oba de atua ho no san ni nyina no na ekoso ewo Sodom ni Gomorrah e ma wo mfi se bibi biara ekoso wiase ne no enra ni enimu do ban na den na wo ho isn't say Ecclesiastes chapter 1 and chapter 2 say and the fufuro bia mariase ni madada no na ye recycle ebeko na aba emre bi wo hye trouser na etechire wo 90 so the manti de etitire a yesi tuna bu krama be so nentire aboske zamewa na yesro but eye den ne se no na ye tuna bu aboske krama be so nentire no ene se wo hye no a ena na wa arrival when you go moment da. The point that I'm making is that Nima Fufobia no ever reasio. Good one that no one is hiding. Echo Ediba. Enti Bonia Sodom and Gomorrah ye. Bonia Tyre and Sidon ni Carthaginians for the year, and one echo so. Now it was a sin of the people who forgot their responsibilities and privileges. The intake yes so munu said. Asudia nkasa ene adwuma erima awon no wo ye kura de wo hu ni do mo ate afiri Yesu ho enyina achi no wo bu won ni ye den egu so eno mo ni bie no eti se ya sorry na adwuma titiri onyakopo de ahye yensa ene asanka Church of Christ for amutie me Church of Christ for sorry leaders am coming sorry sika efra asanka Church of Christ for preachers monsusuno moja asemleka samo kampa na musro samo bekamu nokure no Yesu say Chorazin nwie na Bethsaida enwie enye bibia say responsibility a Yesu nsenkyere ne na sanka e to won so a wo mo sheke ye no ene wo so wo nwie onyakopo mount ase da asori betimi atna ho na enkanyam sam asori betimi atna ho na nya do ye asori betimi atna ho na nya ehumopro ade ade a ene na Yesu say sa so nwie okasa asem se saa so na omobo asori a Yesu se ne monya na were hono no asori a enni daache asori a ogene nko a enye yi na odene tutu Sodom ni Gomorrah ho Sodom ni Gomorrah ni boni a oyeye no ya ntise Bethsaida yebi ya ntise Chorazin yebi and yet wakofa irresponsibility a year Bethsaida ni Chorazin anye no motra ho no edina ku gina bra say oni Sodom ni Gomorrah eyepe onyankopon ma anti ase da the sin of indifference matiada men kandeche men fa ho na asudie eda ho abalua maame awudati wani anopa na wonim se adwuma we na se meye ofia na wo do nsa gu akire na wo sorry reche enya adwuma enno ena do ko gina bra afen ekowie se ye do toto Sodom ni Gomorrah ho tiniye mo betena wiase akotena adwuma na ade a your responsibility no ena wo gi akatua wo gi wo check na wo mo ho cham wo mo ho so be ya wo ni ko say wo mo bo he pities you so wo wanya privilege yi na tiniye obi wo Ghana o peduma ni bia ye Ghana for obi en university ko mfie nyansani o da so tufie wo wie university ayi first lenda mo ne ko finom ene mranti amoa akwasi si edu obi ya wo so ni nu kra ama o ye na dwuma den na wo sa privilege we na wo kra dwuma na de bi abra hwe obi wo Ghana obi mfie nyansa university corona unya be bi mfamfa odofo sa no na make kira wo ye student wo ko class teacher assignment or dia mawo the teacher kenyeji any say teacher ni abusua ni chechere ama wo appetite aye wet kan nima very lofty enti wo besi ye na wate wonnim kura wabam so wo yiru kakra bia obedi ye wo betaka fefefem wo betofie eni je nkwa na still responsibility and this adwuma no ekron ubefia unsia de TV and a washer or so mobo Peter Jesus say what is a Chorazin what is a Bethsaida he said you are baffling in what in indifference pasa bibia wo ba yiru ho na wa ye bibia e kire say wo ye ade a ema wo ye sonkokora therefore it was the sin of the people who forgot their responsibility. Asudi ni rafi assignment ya dima no ko ni rafi sensitive o baya no ko TV ho enti de kanso wanya ankasa ni rafi o ye ko permanent ase da maame awuti awore ase na wo rafi de enti a wo yire de enti a wore wo ekuru awu rafi de enti a wo yekunu Yesu so mobo opitiu na saa wo momro ye ene felu awe no wo do tutu ba bi enye do do tutu ba bi abeye ene se wo ti se Sodom ni Gomorrah sabi adabraka engante saa sense Sodom ni Gomorrah ye mu yofo chen nanso because of irresponsibility you just away feel bad ni ko fanyema every day wo da gugu ani mo mesi kakra mesi wo sa gugu dan so what is that? Jesus say, we can't tell us one more. The cities of Galilee had been given a privilege which had never come to Tyre and Sidon or to Sodom and Gomorrah. Yeah. Privilege of war. The whole of America is before you now. Woman, schools, you have an Ivy League. Some of them, IVY, remember, League. Schools, Papa. Columbia, Kahomegwa. Mobo Yale and again Cornell when I become Ghana from and again Princeton George NYU.
Fordham University.
Fordham University, I come. Oh, really? Fordham University here? I didn't know. Hey, yeah, won't go. What? Don't try to go outside. Go here. Papa, wait. You never catch me. Say, Safu, my uncle. New York, was it the best universities in New York in the world? Now, I can't pick it up. The Yancy Yatria, if Naino, tuition. The Akan Yabamano, scholarship in Naguna, or Pessoa 1 year. Ne carver then, a better than him. I be wise. Men Cassava down for cock, a ye to hop that Chinchilla on a macro. No, to Papa, to Mamma, ne calling New York, ya, who caught Brabetta, Dew Banku. This year, dear, when you go to Mantia, said, we no, that can you win we do checker. If I'm going to your students' room, we are what you nice car, posh car, dashy car, flashy car. Me, I get his neighbor. So, that is the responsibility. But buy no television. I'm only free assignment. Your responsibility. So when you go for Mount Yasieda, and one was one, yeah, one more. It is Sakasa, dream one no category, you know, and look at the yes, we catch a walk. So, the just a woman now you. Not one maybe be a sway walk, one maybe be a jail time. Now you are free. You just all your honor. We are mobile. No more yet, and to set horizon. Was it? We condemn a man who never had a chance to know any better. Ubia, when you can be a adipa, you condemn no. Hey, so make baby feet and then you get here. But born some in a second. But born some Pabwa, say, Manjibida. Say, from 4, we control middle school living certificate exam. We free in Soyan by Mamma Quadrida, no control Charlie Bremy. Charleno, Nimsha, Cosimisha Vida. Can a nine, Menana fat, Naba, no tia, and Finfin no boom, you took my word too. What I say? Akada or she and then Papa, she sneakers, good chain. What I say? I want watching her. That's who you get, sir. Before you fear to say, you never it's a man. You blame one that's what you got no ye. Now, when you just blame more because all the privileges is before you. Make a no more in your circle, make a channel or bar out for a bar. What how been a boy buy or the old bar said a boy more or the old bar said. But responsibility no privilege na when you know but yet no adwuma and I had o ye and I had o ye o to papa so obi abenanti asa na o to nsam and green card and in the citizens nyina kadem obi pepper Ghana hey you sorry here ade achi be be kodri aduane ade kam se obi nya bi ni ye ko bi o fridge na be akokɔ nam ene one nam ene de nam ene drink ahodo me ka che obi say America ye nom konko mu milk ye nom no rubber mo san o say milk o rubber ni abo o say am say e ko pa man tia say da na so when you sa privilege na unsua de ukunu no onanase o yire no onanase o maame no onanase o papa no onanase a eno kwase na mika yo eno na Yesu se wo omobo obi biara waboa o kwan bi so wonye nimdie bi wonye privilege bi no wonye go pon pese o kire o say position odi wagire bia no it goes with equal responsibility. What does it? Privilege bia it has its responsibilities. Enti wo bia oti baby no wanye ye yan condemn no. Now what here? akatafo a wo kure mu akatafo wo mo na mutangu wo mo do no asabi wo mo nyina tutu and bisa say die na mo tutu si wi nu isi great no onye ko pon man ti ase da onye sikampo no de asi na wo ti asem bia o senkafo kai o se this year enam fam ena akwa etipon koso senkafo de ka asem no this year enam fam ena akwa etipon koso won se yenye free baby ba ya chire no ya yiri e ho bobra ena won so mo ti hanu so enya hwe ma won okopuma se a sa tafo na metie no tafofo mrantie no yo mu ni mo an nsan ni wi ni nyama sa ye wasase eti won mu fra chire no e ba be bobra abeton sa se ne de asidan na won mu ni be bete onye ko pon man ti ase da sa kwan no na be kasa chire we kwan bi when opportunity enya nyame ba firisoro abeka abraboni nkwaje won sama chiro o kan kurazin o kan besaida o kan Capernaum o mon fa nya adwuma netini opportunity we no it knocks once was yes no wa mienu a no okọ etiti ase say yem blame obi keke we do not expect the person brought up in the handicaps of a city slum to live the life of a person brought up in a good and comfortable home. She baby out here. Come on. In Jesus, baby out here, come on, Suntino. And when you go on share equal responsibility either everywhere. Suku papa, muko inti. Ghana, I could let go school now from say. Na, watch up. Me what? Akola bi ko na wo fi say ahaya Ghana so dem akametra from say ebo enis ada ho na akola den oti so na chese wo to no ati adeden din so chese say anyi ya ma wo ya teacher so dey know kwa den abo ho aha akrokron kwa abena ne bag de na tina o baba na so de ye twali dia itum ye ne de orofo sa responsibility no na se sa mo anye yi a nyame no wa asem apesi fi Ghana aha atofi anamu te apartment fe that is the responsibility kun baby a mami baby who can work do tie hwema odiama wo that is the responsibility it was say when to me and seize opportunity no want me amfanya anya ne makama osi kurazi mpomfa no nwe wo osi wo mobo a chain kurazi any beside the greater our privileges have been the greater is our condemnation so responsibility to swan son of condemnation so three. What I say? It is share. Ye more greater a privilege. O mine can see Nimina ye come over. It is just a talent. Ne the just would deliver your output. It just say then. Ye can say it will be organ. Hey, ye say uncle heavy. When you go pon any ye walk asem. When you go pon any ye I was some a chain. Obia oti Ghana akoko asori bisa Frank baby are not tip on the village eko baby the next village at Church of Christ how many miles were you traveling 12 miles yes 12 miles on a asphalt road at a check no munemu nimpo now walk across road and so these people were going to church. And I walk city dweller, New York City. City dweller, New York City. Fat bus, really out the tree. What I said, now I jump into the bus. What's all my sorry? Meanwhile, Obeti Babia, the old Yimpo Island, oh, by and young leaders, sister, I give the man at the Roma. Breakfast, who taking what? Obedient from pine, and I saw them, and so awesome. I want you to bring your minds home. Say, Abraham fell away, no. And to say the years were hard work at your war or Casatra war. Names one for the years to catch a wine then. And Yejuma. Sasama make a no. Privilege, our war, say just a war would deliver. Nanso Umu Yawoyo. It was the sin of indifference. These cities did not attack Jesus. He said, Luke chapter 9. And yes, could Chemo Grubi Quemo. Around Yamaha. Now we are to say, could Chemo Bicromo. Now I will be Preco, who could two money free. At one and Preco Berlin. One question Preco and Preco in our top Abaka. A quiet bank was there, young Preco. 1 or 2 or 2 a year. And yes, so come by the day. No, you did Jesus at them. It be a woo, only decrease of smartem. It be a woo, only deals of watem. Then so, the just away yet was one a day. Yet, a master and master for one. That is the state. Could rise and tea, yes, was a beside that tea, yes, was a when the day, yes, what I'm out there, as walk across our main memory. On the Mekan. One taki Jesus. On kum Jesus. On pan yesu free last year so. Nanso the all can say, Baka cry, many a day. That's how the Church of Christ 14. The state of indifference. Woman crucified Jesus. They simply disregarded him. Never knows one more. Oh, who disregarded Papa? Who disregarded Okunu? Ye member crowd you disregard here, you know. To say, man, no sabi omuni nyansa. Omuni nyansa pa. And until you made your mama and say, wow. Who disregard no suffer? Church of Christ may pray. Leaders are who tell me over Biana. More preachers, I am more. More preachers, I share. The preachers entering your Juma. When you go party, I'm more. Let me repeat this. Elders, you have no message. Elders have no message. It is the preacher who has got message. Preacher, then you're making us smiling. I'm man. And you still on choir. You disregard them. You jawonka. You know what she. Tia. Buon him tia. Sebi and was say. Sebi na uya. Dear. Young kum. Baby, I preacher here you. Nanso so you money hey. Baby, grab. You want to be young announcement to say the preacher need them all. Let the buyer what you say I can. Remember, I had it been here. Been here also. Because we move here. You go from mama to say neglect can kill. Yes, see you come. Who do pa? Who be so come here? Neglecting. Francis o yet on neglecting. Mona call home. Mana bianini. Unena na. Kasa no ho. Obewu. Na so na fa se ka anya dan. Christosum ye kun Christosum. Onim. We say Christosum from America. Christosum from Europe. You neglected Christosum. Maybe na bon sam na mo e kun Christosum. Chichi Peter no kumo. Say bon sam jai. The strategy are all used in say. Christosum ntra on see mfi no. What up ko gina kwa house of church tracks. Oh no, I don't like it. I don't know your God. No, I don't believe in God. Sir, you don't say the cross of America. You don't say, and the sorry, oh, yes, in it. I pray when some efforts want to say, one coon and so bad neglect. Now, about one other than will be child. Here we have the modern situation in so many countries today. There's no hostility to Christianity. There's no desire to destroy it. There's no blank, but there's blank indifference. Christ is relegated to the ranks of those who do not matter. In your order of a scale, preference scale, yes, catch all. Why relegating Jesus to the background? Who giving? Jesus never obtain giving to one son of Abby, who are dying and who you know. Oh, yes, sir, unrelegating Jesus. And so, so who say, come Jesus in Pope, everyone has seen me one pope. Since you go into the quiet of indifference. Feel some will be Nefenian from Nanya, Unkabi. No, you come, no compromise it, and no one. Are more dangerous? Or maybe a two in Sikai or Peter Russo, so Jesus. Now, finally, when we the board, I send you. And no one, and will say, Corazon, indifference too is a sin, and the worst of all is indifferent, and that kills. It's woman wabi, a begugu, fame, father, Obama, yes, what now. No freeze. Indifference does not burn a religion to death. It freezes it to death. 31. The Bible brave why don't call stakes. A cast stakes are people to say. Here you are bosso, still a bosso. Near the jail was a petrol boom. Now you call the stakes. One more preaching said they be preaching. One more conscience of Christ wants him saying. That is the fate that is suffering. And now what is the Bible? On some strategy, no. And so I saw how many Pama. What I said, one said, Christosum Kwan Echo from Roman 4 on one sorry. Church of Christ is the idea of Bukra. Bebre, that in here, a Bacoso Ghana. A bra, preachers men shudder and canoe, French change any palm. In church, Papa, and your be my aim. And some can know in a kind of ship. They say Christosum, a baby book, a big Google. Indifference does not burn a religion to death. It freezes it to death. It does not behead it. It slowly suffocates the life out of it. Any religion, it's the sin of indifference. And found and promote Christianity. It is sad, sorry to know. No one can some and Yama. Indifference has set in. And the sun, that is where the church must rise up. Nothing or hearing. Finally, and so we are face to face with one great threatening truth. It is also a sin to do nothing. Oh, yes, now so, and so you want it. And I own him. Mantia, I am Moses Lono. The dear, no jack, Bo Mosimo, on Paso Bay. Or sorry, movie to ranting him about one, and me who them that, but me bad them at Adam giving him. Tabo body never come up. But memoir them. Hey. I'm sorry, it's a sin not to do anything. What I said, somebody did, now I asked me over him, it's a sin. We see my Daniel, men to member, it's a sin. We see, me the BBS here, and now I'm to the BBC. Because I was in Yamia, so I'm not young and it's a sin. Say, be a trust away. Your sense of thee, Bonia will yell, dear Wayim, and your Bonia, or what your wine ye. The wine is what? Say, Bonnie. If I sin of omission, the wine ye. Did they just away your wine? Yeah, you know, say, do name Papa one day. And James 4:17. It would see what. Now, so happy. As I'm back, Church of Christ, you know, when you say of we can't correct, so won't get him into the sort of that. It's a sin to you. Because the alien is a pastor, and my devoted bonnie, or you know, And so no nim asem mu no kore. But one person beka. Na no dey one person beka. Reprisal. Immortal didi ni mu time no. And you go into the oblivion. Order for and no more say horizon and beside that in me. They be better on that na say. Sorry, see wo ho. Na yan kanyam sam na yan tutuniema na privileges are way no. Yan fa nya adwuma say ya ware mu, say ya adwuma mu, say ya ti Church of Christ. Teach no bronze. You know some preacher no okasa. Aba. Some nimsa metradia a clarity muda offering. That is the privilege. Somebody hear adwuma. It is a good preacher. No teaching kama or preaching kama. The responsibility here then. A tronso. Say someone teach man. Someone nobody hear adwuma. Yeah, sanka. So if we are not doing, or see here mobile, you change beside her, you check horizon. So no problem beside here. You make a chance when you go on on person to be a horizon in beside her. So don't go more aqua could do. I was some Atimuda, Ubeko hobby. Such a one energy yes to this way in Ameba. But if you are where you be, no fears here, you make a once in no, so I was swap. Let Castle win you. When you go for a move for on fire bonning chain, 1 year for front of pay. My uncle, yes, so don't. And Gomorrah and Horizon and the Sanda and the Capinium. Amen. Amen.